Good afternoon. It is Monday, December 11th, 2:45 p.m. New week, same old story, people. So much to talk about. First, I want to thank everybody for their comments. Very interesting, very thought-provoking. One comment in particular regarding that insurance. Gold as insurance. Yeah, it kind of struck a nerve with me. Again, I don't believe gold is insurance. And I just want people who hear that gold is insurance, well, it might not act as insurance. So it's good to have your expectations, understand going in. If stocks are crashing and gold is going down too, well, I was told gold would go up. It's supposed to be insurance. No, it doesn't have to be that way. If you know going in, at least you're not disappointed. Okay, not saying it won't go up if stocks go down, but it don't have to. Anyway, I want to switch gears a little. I went back and I looked at my stock activity back to July of 2005. Now, I started buying the bullion, as you know, in 1999. I didn't buy stocks until 2005. And my investment strategy, for lack of a better word, was very simple. If I believe in gold that it's going up, which it is, I can get more bang for my buck if I buy some gold companies. So I figured I would just buy some gold companies. And as gold is going up and I'm making X amount of dollars on the bullion, I'm making so many more times that on the mining companies. It's risky, but I took the risk, all right? So the second part of that is I just basically picked unhedged mining companies on the HUI index, all right? I had read about, some companies are hedged to the price of gold, and if gold goes up, they're not going to benefit, and others aren't. So that was it. It was just that simple. I'll buy mining companies to get a little more bang for my buck, and I'll pick unhedged mining companies. I didn't know anything about management and projects that they were doing and the geologists, okay, and how many ounces were in the ground. I knew nothing about that, all right? I wasn't that smart. It was simply keep it simple, stupid. I like gold. I'll buy some mining companies, get a little extra bang, and I'll pick unhedged ones. So I threw darts at the HUI for the most part and just picked just a handful. That's all I did. Timing is everything, okay? So I went back and I looked at my account activity for each month. I did it for several periods, all right, just to get an idea. And what I have here is my gold mining portfolio. So I bought Agnico in July of 05 at $12.22. I bought Freeport July of 05, $40.28. Glamis, $17.47. Goldfields, $10.79. Gold Corp, $16.26. Meridian, $17.84. Newmont, $37.55. Rheingold, $13.30. Then in September of 05, I added Barrick, Kinross, Nova Gold, and Placid Dome, which was eventually acquired by Barrick, okay? What's in green is stocks that I still own to this day, although I had sold them and repurchased them. So, look at the price. July of 05. Bought it at $12.22, Agnico. Went up to $19.76 in December. So what's that? August, September, October, November, December. 5 months later, right? January of 06, $22.91. Look at Freeport. I bought it for $40.28. It went to $53, $62 the next month. These were the days. People, this seems like a world away. Boy, this is like a lifetime away. I'm telling you, brings back memories. Goldfield, $10.79 went to $17.63 by December, $21.76 the next month, right? Gold Corp. You could see it. Everything was going up. Didn't make me smart, people. Okay? Timing is everything. All right? So, and look at what I bought in September. Barrick, 29, went to 20, came down actually, 27.87, but then it came right back to 29.95. Little Nova Gold, I got a story about that stock I want to share with you. Bought it at 8.01 in September. By December, it was $9.10. By January, $11.58. Placid Dome was acquired by Barrick for $27.48. All right, eventually. I think the actual final transaction took place in March of that year. So then, what I did, let me turn it over, and you'll see the rest of this year. February, let me do it. February, March, and April, okay? Look at these prices. Look at the stock at Nico, right? 26, 30, 36. Freeport, 52, 59, 64. I mean, this thing was going up like gangbusters. Glamis, 29, 32, 39. I mean, you see what's happening here. Then look at that column here. That's percentage-wise. So this was from, a handful of these were July 05 to April of 06. And then the rest was September 05 to April of 06, right? Look at the percentage gains, people. 200%, 60%, 124%, 135%, 115%, 82%, 55%, 83%, 4.92%. Boy, that was a real dog. What was that? That was Barrick. Barrick, because that's, they're already a large company. You're not going to see the growth like that, right? 59%, 99%. So I bought these stocks, like I say, I just drew a blanket at unhedged gold stocks, all right? They all went up. Everything was going up. Timing is everything, people. You don't have to be smart, people. I didn't know a thing about who the management was. I didn't know what their projects was. I didn't know who their geologist was. I didn't know if they were digging in Australia, South America, Africa. I had no idea, people. I'm not that smart, all right? I cashed out of a lot of these. I bought some back, which was a big mistake, okay, to buy these back. Because you know what? Lightning never seems to strike twice, people. What I own today, as far as gold, and remember I sold all my regular stocks. Those are gone. The only stocks I have right now, Agnico, Goldfields, Gold Corp, Kinross, First Majestic, Sibanye, Yamana, GDXJ, and NUGT. Those I added here, down at the bottom, for informational purposes. A story about Nova Gold. Nova Gold I bought September of 05, $8. Nova Gold went up to 9, it went up to 11, it went up 12, 15, 16. I think it hit a high somewhere in the 16s, and I wanted to get out of these stocks. I called up my stockbroker, and she said, let's just put a sell stop. You don't have to sell it. Let's just put a sell stop. I forget the details, people. It was around $17 the stock, 16 and high. Mid to high 16, something like that. So we put a sell stop in, I forget what it was put in for, 15, 16, I really don't remember. But the point is this. They had a problem with one of their mines that they were working on. Forget the details. It just didn't work out. They got some bad news, and this stock blew through that sell stop, okay? And I think it went all the way down to, I don't know, I want to say 12 or something like that. All right? So that sell stop, that didn't do anything for me. That was another big lesson I learned. I will never, ever again use a sell stop. Okay? I told her to get me out at the mid-16s. Oh, let's just do a sell stop. No. All right? Never again will I do a sell stop. Okay? When I'm out, I'm out. Because that blew through that sell stop. And by the time I got out, that was very disappointing to buy this stock at 8, watch it go up to almost 17, and then get out at around whatever the price was, 10 or 11. Made a small profit, but so big lesson. All right? You want to play around with these stocks? When it's time to sell, my advice, sell. Because you don't know these sell stops. They're not going to protect you when everybody's rushing through the door. All right? Little Nova Gold. So, this seemed like a lifetime. So, yeah, you can make huge gains with these mining stocks. All right? But it's all about the timing, people. It's all about the timing. So, next thing I wanted to talk about, the Dow is up 41, S&P's up 6, NASDAQ up 34. It's all green. It's all green. Russell is flat. The dollar's down 8 cents. Bitcoin, 16,669. You know, everybody's talking about how this Bitcoin is just, it's just a manifestation of the fact that, you know, the fiat currencies are crashing and the dollar is collapsing, and this is why Bitcoin, these people that are buying Bitcoin, they're not smart enough to know that, all right? With a careless click of the button, oh, I'll buy some Bitcoin, it's going on. You think most of these people have a clue about the basement of fiat currencies and the debt? Are you kidding me? And if that were the case, is this the only evidence that we would see? Bitcoin? Wouldn't we see bond yields going through the roof? Wouldn't we see stock market volatility? Wouldn't we see at least gold get some type of bid? This is all garbage they're trying to feed us. Oil back way over 57, 57.91. Copper's up to $3 again. Those bond yields, they came in a little. The yield curve tightened ever so little, all right? But that 10 years at 2.38, it cannot get above that 2.4. Everything is noise, people, all right? Everything is noise. There's people, they want to keep telling you the bond market is rigged and this and that, and it might be, but it's all noise, 2.38, all right? These are the same people that want to tell you gold's on sale. Gold's on sale every day, I've been saying, right? Gold's on sale today. It's on sale every day, all right? Talking about gold, it's down $4 today. There's no rest for the weary here. No rest for the weary. Somebody mentioned something about gold, silver preserving their purchasing power, right? Well, you can make that case for a lot of things. This is the Dow gold ratio, okay? Take a good look at that chart, people. This is going all the way back to 1915 when it was like 1 to 1. Then it went up to almost 20 to 1, okay? It went down here, shot up 20, what is that? 25, almost 30 to 1. In 1980, went all the way down to 1 to 1. 1 to 1. And then went all the way up to 40 to 1 in 1999. It took 40 ounces of gold to buy the Dow Jones Industrial Average, right? Then it came all the way back down where we had that bull market in gold, right? And since then, it's reversed. Today, it's sitting at 19 to 1. Takes 19 ounces of gold to buy the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Now, you take a good look at that chart, people, because this is important. Is this a counter trend rally where this ratio is going to start to come in again? Because right now it's right in the middle between 1 and 40, right? It's basically right there at 19. Call it in the middle. Is this a counter trend rally? Or is this going to, if you look at 20, 25, 40, or is this thing going higher? 45, 50 to 1. I don't know, people. And if anybody tells you they know, they're lying, okay? So, big decision to make. right there. So if you bought gold 1980, right? And now here it is, 37 years later. It's hands down who the clear winner is, people. All right? Hands down. And this doesn't even include dividends. Right? So, that's about it. I told my friend it could go to 1-to-1 again. He's laughing at me. He's literally laughing at me. You might all know this, that famous cover of The Economist magazine, 1988, get ready for a world currency. It's got the phoenix rising out of the ashes while fiat currency is burning. It's got that coin around its neck. It's got a 1 and a 0 there. Could that be a 1 and a 0? That's all bits are, you know, zeros and ones. I don't know. Very interesting. January 9th, 1988. 30 years from now, Americans, Japanese, Europeans, and people in many other rich countries, and some relatively poor ones, will probably be paying for their shopping with the same currency. Will probably be paying for their shopping with the same currency. Prices will be quoted not in dollars, yen, or in D-marks, Dutch marks, but in, let's say, the phoenix. The phoenix will be favored by companies and shoppers because it will be more convenient than today's national currencies, which by then will seem a quaint cause of much disruption to economic life in the 20th century. Very interesting article, January 9th, 1988, volume 306, okay, The Economist magazine, okay, the title, Get Ready for the Phoenix. So we'll see, people. Will it be Bitcoin? Will it be gold? Will they be wrong? I don't know. We live in interesting times. Anyway, the big thing, tomorrow starts the FOMC 2-day meeting. And let's see if it'll be sell the rumor as far as gold goes with these interest rate hike and buy the fact. Until then, could see just keep more pressure on gold. I want to get this rate hike behind us like you wouldn't believe. So that's it. Beautiful day out there. Sunny weather, nice fresh air. Get out, take a good walk if you can. Beautiful fall day. We pick it up tomorrow, Lord willing. And once again, I want to thank everyone for their viewership and their very thought-provoking comments. Ciao, people.